Hi, this is Learn IT Profession. Today we have learned LAMP. LAMP is a Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. Actually, this is the complete abbreviation of this. And it is a complete stack when you work with a Linux platform and you installing Apache as a web server, MySQL as a database server and PHP as a scripting language. This is a whole architecture, or you can say a whole stack of the LAMP. So first we have to install Apache. For Apache, this is a CentOS Linux 8. You can check the version by type the command cat /etc /red hat -linux red hat release. Okay, you see this is the CentOS Linux release 8.3. So first we install Apache. For Apache, type the command dnf space install space httpd. You can also list of the package. Okay, see, this is the Apache package. So install it by type the command dnf space install space yes. You can also give the attribute like -y, means without your permission it will install the Apache package. Okay, the Apache package has completed and successfully installed. After the install, you need to start and enable the service of Apache. Type the command system ctl space start httpd. Then enable it, means in boot time your service will start automatically. Okay, if you want to check the status of the service, type the command systemctl space status space httpd. httpd is the daemon of Apache. Okay, the service is active and running. If you have a firewall, you need to enable the service of Apache as HTTP. If you want to secure it, you need to enable the service as HTTPS, or you can use the port of 80 or 443. So we have already used firewall D as a firewall. You can check the firewall by type the command system ctl space status space firewall D. See, firewall D is running and in active state. So we enable Apache as a service HTTP and HTTPS by type the command firewall-cmd space --permanent space add the service is equals to HTTP. This is firewall-cmd space --permanent space --add service is equals to HTTP. Okay, the service HTTP successfully enrolled in firewall. You can also give the service HTTPS. Okay, after that you need to reload the firewall by type the command firewall-cmd space --reload. Okay, the Apache service HTTP and HTTPS successfully enroll, and you reload the firewall to successfully apply on firewall. Now you can check the version of Apache by type the command httpd space -v. Okay, you can see the Apache version in CentOS. This is 2.4.37 and it's built in 12th November 2021. If you want to check in detail the Apache version, you need to type the command rpm space -qi. Space httpd. There you see, it gives you a complete detail of daemon httpd of Apache. It gives the vendor name also, and you see the build date. This is okay. Now if you want to check it on a browser, type the IP of the server and check Apache is working or not. For IP, for check the IP of the server, type the command IP space address 192.168.10.225. This is IP of my machine. Okay. Okay, here you see the test base of Apache is working fine. Okay, now we installed MySQL server. Here we installed MariaDB server. There is a fork of MySQL server. So to install the MariaDB server, you need to type the command dnf space installed space MariaDB server. Space MariaDB. If you want to list, just remove the installed and type list. Okay, here you see the MariaDB as a server package available, also and MariaDB package also available. Okay, type install and then press -y to install without your permission. Installation of MariaDB and MariaDB server has successfully completed. Now after the installation, you need to start and enable MariaDB daemon. Type the command systemctl space start space MariaDB. Okay, if you want to start this MariaDB daemon and on boot time, you need to enable the service. To check the status of MariaDB, type the command systemctl space status space MariaDB. You see the service is running in active state. Okay. After the installation of MariaDB server, you need to secure MariaDB database engine. To secure it, type the command mysql_secure _installation. Okay. Type yes. Okay. Now give the password. Now if you want to set the password, press Y. New password. Re-enter the new password. If you want to remove anonymous user, press Y. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Press Y. If you want to enable root login remotely, this is not secure. So if you want to enable, you press N. Remove test database and access to it. Yes, I want to remove the test database. Yes. Reload privilege table now. Yes. Press Y. This is the complete configuration to initial configuration to secure MariaDB database engine. Now it's time to install PHP 8.0 or the available PHP version in your scenario. This is CentOS 8. So first list the PHP. Okay, here the latest version is 7.4 is available. Great. If you have already installed the PHP, you need to reset it first. To reset, type the command dnf space module space reset space PHP. Okay. Here is nothing to do because I have installed first time PHP on it. So first I need to enable the PHP. Here is the latest version 7.4, so I installed this. Type the command dnf space module space enable space PHP. colon 7.4. Press Y. Okay. PHP 7.4 version is enabled. Now it's time to install the PHP. You can install the multiple modules of PHP on the same command. So I installed PHP and its some modules like type the command dnf space install. You can also list the PHP, so you can install as per your requirement. Sorry, it's dnf. Okay, I am installed first PHP. This one. And PHP dash comma. And PHP dash table also. php-ffi, php-fpm, that's all. Okay, just press Y to install the packages without your permission. To check the version of PHP, type the command php -p. See, the PHP package 7.4.19 successfully installed. You also installed php-fpm. php-fpm is used to load the page of PHP faster than traditional methods. So you need to start and enable the php-fpm daemon. Type the command systemctl space start space php-fpm, then enable it. Type the command systemctl space enable space php-fpm. To check the status of php-fpm, type the command systemctl space status space php-fpm. Okay, great. You see, it says PHP fast CGI process manager. It reloads the page faster than traditional method of CGI. And if you want to learn a complete about this, I have written an article on my website Learn IT Profession. You can follow these steps from here also. Then you read it from it. It says the PHP has been it says php-fpm fast CGI process manager produce web pages faster than traditional CGI based methods such as SUPHP or mode_PHP. PHP-fpm is specially used with Nginx, but you can use with Apache as well. If you want to execute PHP code, Apache execute PHP code by use of PHPM. If you have SNNS enabled, you need to type the command set scbool space -p space httpd underscore execmem space 1. I am copy this command from here. And just paste it. Then enter. Okay, great. Now after all the configuration and installation, restart the Apache service. To check the status, type the command systemctl space status space httpd. Okay, service is in running and active state. To check and verify PHP package is working fine and installed successfully, just create a test page as info of PHP to test the PHP info. I've just created a file on default directory for www html. I am creating info.php file. Press insert and just copy or type as you want, and just copy it. PHP info page, press cap :wq or save the file and verify it on your browser. Just add /info.php. Okay, great. The PHP has been successfully installed. Here you see. Thank you for watching and learning from this website, from my channel of YouTube, Learn Profession. And if you like my video and require more knowledge and more related to system administration like Linux and Windows, please suggest me, and I will provide you in video form of my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel Learn Profession to motivate and appreciate.